Hi and welcome back to my channel. If today's the first time, you're welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into how you can make money online from your bed at night as a virtual assistant. Yes, you heard that right. You can earn a steady income all while lounging in your PJs. Let's get into it. So, what exactly does a virtual assistant or VA do? VAs provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely from the comfort of their homes. Tasks can range from managing emails and calendars to handling social media, bookkeeping, and more. The best part, you can do all of this from the comfort of your own home, even from your bed. Yes, you can do this from your bed. Working as a virtual assistant at night offers flexibility, especially if you're balancing other commitments during the day. Many businesses operate across different time zones, so there's a demand for VAs who can work evenings or nights. Plus, if you're a night owl, this could be the perfect gig for you. Now, let's talk about some companies currently hiring virtual assistants worldwide. The first one on our list today is Boldley. They hire globally, but they prefer US, UK, Canada, and Europe. The salary range is from $24 to $28 per hour. Boldley is a premium staffing company that hires experienced professionals for executive support roles. They offer full-time and part-time positions with benefits like paid holidays and bonuses. You can apply at Boldley Careers or boldley.com and then head over to their career page. So you want to head over to boldley.com and look for the open positions. You can find available position that suits you, whether you're looking for a part-time or a full-time executive assistant, bilingual executive assistant, English or French. Okay, anyone you're considering, just click on apply and begin your application. It's that simple. If you're not ready to apply, you can also enter your details to learn more about them. And that's about it. We're going to move over to the second one. The second one on our list today is VAT Talent. They hire globally, but they also prefer people from Europe, UK, and Africa. The salary is from $15 to $25 per hour. VAT Talent specializes in long-term virtual assistant jobs with flexible schedules. They focus on high-quality remote support to businesses, offering roles in administration, social media, customer service, and project management. So head over to vattalent.com and go to their careers page to begin your application if you want to join them. The third one is Wing Assistants. They're hiring from worldwide. Wing is a tech company that connects businesses around the world with remote assistants. They focus on helping business owners and their teams handle all kinds of time-consuming but important tasks. So you can apply at wingassistant.com, head over to their careers page, and begin your sign up. The fourth one we're going to look at is Delegated. Delegated is hiring worldwide with priority in North America and Europe. The salary is between $18 to $25 per hour. Delegated connects virtual assistants with long-term clients, meaning you get consistent work and income. They specialize in administrative and executive assistant tasks. So you can apply at delegated.com and head over to their careers page to begin your application. So head over to delegated.com, go to their careers page and review the job description. Make sure it fits you. Make sure you have the necessary skills and the technical requirements. Then you can submit your application. Here you put your name, email, LinkedIn, phone number, and your area of specialty. Optional. Submit it to them. They will be in touch with you. The fifth one on our list is Priorto. They hire globally, but priority in Latin America, Asia, and Africa. The salary is between $10 to $20 per hour. Priorto hires virtual assistants to support corporate executives, providing administrative assistance, scheduling, and project management. They focus on long-term VA roles, ensuring stable employment with training, benefits, and career growth opportunities. So you can apply at Priorto.com and head over to their careers page to begin your application. Okay, so this is Priorto.com. You're going to click on company, click on careers. It should open up like this for you. And if you're ready, read through. If you're ready, if you qualify and meet the requirements, you can go ahead and begin your application to join them. Okay, they also have open positions that you can go through from different countries. They even have in Kenya. They have different positions available in different countries. So go ahead and do your searches and do your application and apply for any position you feel you can handle. The sixth one on our list is 24/7 virtual assistant, hiring globally. The salary is between $5 to $15 per hour. 24/7 virtual assistant hires entry level virtual assistants for customer support, admin tasks, and content writing. If you're just starting out in the virtual assistant industry, this is a great place to begin. You're going to go to their website, virtualassistants.com, head over to their careers page, and begin your application. And the last but not the least is We Are Working. They also hire globally. The salary range is $12 to $25 per hour. We Are Working provides high-end virtual assistant jobs, partnering with Fortune 500 companies and top executives. Apply at weareworking.com/jobs. You find the jobs that you're looking for. Okay, you go to weareworking.com, click on jobs. These are the featured jobs available: virtual assistant, remote work from home outside of the United States. Are you looking for a flexible remote opportunity to grow your career and contribute to a dynamic team? We're hiring virtual assistants to handle daily administrative tasks. You need to be flexible, you need to be supportive, you need to work remotely, growth oriented, enjoy the freedom of working from home anywhere in the world. This is for you. These are the responsibilities. Desired skills, willing to learn and develop new skills, must have a home office setup, including a quiet place, a reliable laptop, desktop, and a stable internet connection. And make sure you have a little bit of previous experience. You can choose to work full-time, part-time. It is completely 100% online. Flexible schedule with a minimum of 5 hours overlap during 9 to 5 p.m. EST business day. Okay. Remember to check each company's specific requirements and application processes. Here are some tips to help you kickstart your journey as a virtual assistant if you're new. First, access your skills. Identify what service you can offer, be it administrative tasks, social media management, or customer service. Number 2, set up your workspace. Even if you're working from bed, ensure you have a reliable laptop, internet connection, and a comfortable setup. 3, create a professional profile. Highlight your skills and experiences on platforms like LinkedIn or create a personal website. Number 4 is to apply strategically. Make sure to tailor your applications to each company, showcasing how your skills align with their needs. 5th is consider training. If you're new to the VA world, consider taking online courses to enhance your skills. You can check out allisons.com. To take up some virtual assistant training courses. Becoming a virtual assistant is a fantastic way to earn money online, especially if you're looking for flexible remote work. So why not give it a try? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content on making money online, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop me a comment below if you have any questions or if you are already working as a VA. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Let me know if today is your first time in the comment section. You can comment, I'm a first timer. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.